Hello, Professor. My name is Abdulgafar Atolawi with student ID 101462578. And now we're talking about the assignments for 3132 assignment 2. And I already have my name, which is Abdulgafar Atolawi here, so I just have to show it. Since the instruction was for us to mount our CSV file inside our folder. So I'll just go through it. This is it. I have my drive there. So once I go inside the drive, I go inside my drive and I have my assignment to underscore o2 underscore iris dot svg file. So I have that there. So because I already run it, I run it twice. That's why it's showing possible remount or something. But I don't want to run it again. But this is it. So I have to import my pandas and read the CSV file, which it shows from where my file was actually the part of where my file really was is content drive and my drive assignment to o2 underscore iris.svg. Then I'm showing the first five rows, which is print iris.head. So I'm showing this for five rows. And it says convert the spaces names to numerical labels, which is iris spaces, and I have the Setosol and versicolor and the Virginical, which was from the instruction that was given to, and and then I print the first five elements again, which was that. Then it said selecting select the first four columns of the data frame as the data and call the data hex, and this was the times x equals to iris dot ilog and then minus one selecting. Then selecting the features as for four columns and labels wise. Then I try to split the database into training to 80% and testing 20%. Then converting the category labels into one or decoding as well. This is um yeah, this is then I'm trying to build the model using three dense layers, and first, second, and then I try to build the model using I'm sorry, then define a sequential model with three dense layers. Then I try to build the model using three dense layers. The first, second layers, which is 100 neutrons with ReLU activation. Then the output layer, 3 neutrons with softmax for multi-class classification. Then I try to compile the model using RMS prop that was given from the instruction. Then using categorically prostropy and the loss function, since we have multiple classes, tracking accuracy as the performance metric. That was everything that was done in this area. Then I tried to train the model, running training with the Echo 20 batch. This part. And then repeating the model with different parameters, defining a second model with only 10 neurons in the hidden layers. Then training it with echoes for batch size 10, comparing accuracy between the two models. Then and for us to know the number of layers aiding impacts model accuracy, because more hidden layers and neutrons can help the model learn complex patterns. However, too many neutrons can lead to overwriting where the model memorized instead of generalizing. And yes, and because another question was asking if we suffer from overeating. No, but it's a common problem in deep learning. Overeating happens when the model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Some models, especially simpler ones, might not suffer from it. Then for us to detect overeating, you have to check the training and validation accuracy. If training accuracy is very high, but test accuracy is low, the model is overeating. Then use Then we use a lose curve. If the training lose keeps decreasing while validation lose increases, it's overeating. And for us to reduce overeating, um we have to reduce the complexity of the model, fewer layers or neutrons. Then we can use the dropout and randomly drop some neutrons during training as well, and increase the data size. More data improves generalization. Early stopping, stop training if validation loose starts increasing as well. Yeah, I think that is everything I have for my videos for this assignment. Thank you.